RowZero makes it easy to connect BigQuery to a powerful spreadsheet designed for big data. If your organization has already set up BigQuery OAuth and RowZero, you can connect in a few clicks. Just go to Data in the top right and click Add Connection. For your connection type, select BigQuery OAuth, give it a name, and then click Connect to BigQuery to sign in. After signing in, you'll see a success message, and then you can click Create Connection to finish connecting. If you haven't set up OAuth and RowZero yet, contact us using the link in the description, and we can get you set up in a few minutes. Once connected, I can insert a connected table by clicking the plus sign next to my data source. And then I can write a simple SQL statement to pull in my data. Click Run. And RowZero easily imports millions of rows on a free plan and billion row datasets on enterprise plans. This is a 31 million row dataset of hospital admissions in the state of New York, and it imports into this connected table. And this is a feature unique to RowZero that makes it easier to work with big connected datasets. And this maintains my connection to BigQuery, so I can double click on my connected table, reopen the editor, I can change my query if I want, I can also rerun for the latest data, or I can schedule auto refresh to update at the same time each day. And anytime my source data updates, it updates everything in my spreadsheet and everything I build on top of my connected table. So pivot tables, charts, formulas, etc. will all automatically update and stay in sync as my source data changes and updates. From here, RowZero generally works like Excel and Google Sheets, just a lot more powerful and connected directly to your data source. So you can use all your favorite spreadsheet features and functions. I can sort, I can filter, I can format, I can also write Excel compatible formulas. So let's say I want to sum all of the charges across the 31 million rows. I can do that. If I right click on my connected table, I get a context menu with some additional options. I can show and hide columns, I can pivot the data, can cut and copy, I can export to CSV or back to my data source, and I can also explode the table if I want to explode all of this into cells into normal spreadsheet mode. If I control down, you can see I'm on row 31 million, so all of the data is in here. So if I need to really get into the raw data, edit, make changes, delete things, I can do that. I'm going to go back to my connected table though, and I'm going to demonstrate creating a pivot table off of this. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and let's right click and pivot. We'll drop it right here. And I want to look at the charges by admissions type by year. And can format this. Let's make this billions. And I'm going to hide this column here. And I can easily chart this. Let's insert a chart. And let's make this a stacked bar chart. Okay, and let me drop this over here, resize because I'm pretty zoomed in. Make this fit. And what's unique about these connected tables is everything stays in sync. So if I come up here and filter this data, let's say I want to look at just very expensive hospital stays, so we'll look at least 100,000 in total charges. You can see this data updates and my charts and pivot tables also update. So whether I'm filtering up here or if I go back and I rerun my data or my auto updates update, everything updates in the spreadsheet and everything stays in sync, including my pivot tables and charts. So you can see RowZero makes it very easy to create big dynamic spreadsheets that are connected to BigQuery and auto update with the latest data. You can try RowZero for free at rowzero.io and see why RowZero is the best spreadsheet for big data.